Credit Suisse dominating financial Twitter over the weekend. If you're distracted by college football, it's okay. I'm here to catch up. Coming up on The Jog. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It's 8:28 here in the middle part of the country on Monday. It is October 3rd, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. Credit Suisse shares down considerably here in the European session this morning. If you missed it, over the weekend, all the meme action about credit default swaps. Of course, that's if your bonds go belly up, you get paid. Surging on Friday, rumors circulating that Credit Suisse was on the brink of a Lehman moment. Probably not that founded, right? You have extensive regulatory checks every year for all of these banks. Now, credit is tightening. We do see rates rising across the world. We are probably a long way away from that crushing the banking system. Credit Suisse send out kind of a poorly worded memo this weekend. But look, globally systemically important banks is not something that I would necessarily be buying hand over fist at this time. But we're probably a ways away from a Lehman moment. Folks, relax. There are some troubling times in markets here. That doesn't mean every crash is going to be like 2008 again. Brazil over the weekend had an election. And Lula, the former president, Bolsonaro, the current president, faced off, and it kind of came to a little bit of a draw. Lula did capture like 48% of the votes. Bolsonaro got like 43%. Bolsonaro is sort of the right-wing guy. Lula's a left-wing guy. But what this shows is that, Brazil needs a compromise. It needs a moderate government. That's what the people want at large. That's good news for Brazilian assets. Petrobras up big on the election announcement. Number of other firms up large as well. Brazil well positioned. If you're thinking that, hey, global trade networks are sort of contracting, you want to be isolated in the Western Hemisphere, Brazil's not a bad place to have some capital. Market certainly reacting well to the news. And, the big risk there is, hey, your assets get confiscated, right? You have huge political risk in South America. Looks like South Americans have kind of started to learn their lesson here. We're keeping an eye on the situation. Could be some attractive assets there. Last but not least, Peloton up a little bit here in the pre-market. Has a deal to put fitness bikes in all 5,400 U.S. Hilton hotels. Peloton doing everything they can to get as many bikes into as many places as possible. Maybe someday they will be an attractive investment. If you want some additional info throughout the week, feel free to find me on the internet. I'm out there. Until then, hope you, your family, have a really good rest of your Monday. I am out.